Hello, so this is one of my courses here, and what you are going to see is that I am in the student view right here, and I have multiple tabs listed here. Now I've already organized them, but perhaps I'm like, you know what? We're never going to use this collaboration link. So I can get rid of that to streamline my course even more so. So I'm going to leave student view, and then you are going to scroll to the bottom of the page and hit settings. And it's going to take you to this menu up here, and you're going to make sure that you are on navigation. And then here you can reorder all of these tabs here. So I have it by what I think is most important. Here's their textbook access, and then here's the modules link and the announcements and then grades. But perhaps I'm like, you know what, we're never going to collaborate. I'm never going to have these collaborations. So what's great is you can actually scroll down and move it to the bottom of your screen here. And you can do this for anyone here. You can also move these up. And then I'm going to hit save. And once it's saved, I'm like, okay, so here's my navigation screen. I'm going to make sure though that students can see this. So I'll go back to my home page, and then I'm going to go student view. So when students enter my course now, they're going to see even fewer navigation links to help streamline my course and hopefully your course as well, to lessen any confusion by students or parents. I hope that this helps. Thank you.